left. And you're just going to go in a circle.
Good job, Getty.
Left.
Whee! So is she holding it down?
Yep.
Getty, can you go forward now?
Can you show me stopping?
Can you stop, Goose?
That's the same idea. Going forward.
That is
lift off.
Why stop? That's so cool. Getty, can you stop?
Nice.
Good girl.
Now let me make sure your forward finger is in the right spot. Okay? Because now you can go.
Good job, Goose.
Keeping it off the forward.
Okay, are you going to stop? Can you stop?
I'm going to let you go left a little bit more, okay? So keep going left.
Good job, Goose.
Because some of this is timing and sequencing now. Let's see timing. I'm going to help you with timing, and we're going to come off of that, okay?
Good girl.
Now let's go to straight. This is your forward. Tap, tap.
Okay, come forward with Mama.
Why go forward? I can
I
spin around.
know. Woo! Look at you.
I love that smile.
Good job. Now what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Okay, more turning. Ooh.
Awesome. Are you checking out your room? Checking out your room.
Good job, babe. You going to stop? No. How fun. Ooh, you get to show Daddy what you're doing.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mark, come in here.
You're going to have a dizzy girl on your hands.
Look,
Hi.
look what Getty's doing. Look. She's doing that all by herself.
She's going to be dizzy. Dizzy girl.
Getty, do you want to go the other way?
Well, we're only hooked up
no.
to left.
Oh, okay.
Good
So
girl.
let's spin in one direction.
But she knows she's doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl. Yay.
Good job.
And do you have any, are you going to stop soon? Can you stop real quick?
She can stop.
Is that down finger on the left?
So the left is down, and that she's going
Good
left.
girl,
And
babe.
the right is her